So let me start by sharing that about a year back, we had our first batch of female apprentices who had joined our plant in Kamarhati. And I was having a small interaction session with them, trying to understand, what is it that they dream for their future, what inspired them to join us. And I very vividly remember this young girl, very excitedly sharing that I am here to learn how to build machines. So that instant, it stayed with me. It looked like this is how breaking stereotypes looks like. She was questioning the very assumption that, is there a very specific place for every people, and there is only a certain gender that is, applicable to the industrial spaces. So at TIL, we believe in constantly questioning those assumptions, and that is the base of our agenda, because we very strongly believe that any role, it is not about gender, it is about skill, it is about competency. End of the day, it is about how well you do the job. Today in India also, 20% is the representation of women in the manufacturing sector. And of this 20% also, a large segment of it is in the electronics industry. So we believe in, changing this narrative. And that is why our approach is a very integrated approach. Our senior leadership team came together for a pledge. And it is not only about increasing the numbers, but it is a pledge about increasing the numbers and making our organization a more inclusive and diverse workforce across all areas in core operations and otherwise. We have mentorship programs, upskilling programs, trainings. But my experience has also been that while all of this is important, what is also important is to go and look at the basics. Because, even in our country today, in many of the places, if we go and see, we will find that, women even do not have access to proper hygienic washrooms, available creches, restrooms. So I believe that when it comes to DEI, you will have to take an integrated approach. You have to look at the basics and also see what is necessary at your own workplace. A very interesting fact is, earlier we did not have the data, but today there is research data which has shown that diverse workforce are more productive. They come up with better solutions, they are more resilient as a workforce. In the end, what I would like to say is that, diversity is never about numbers. We strongly believe that all voices needs to be heard. They should get a true representation on the table. It is not about the male gender, it's not about female gender, it's not about third gender, but it is about having everybody together as a team, working together and building the future together.